Hi everyone, I got my Spellbinders kit in and I'm excited to open it because I will tell you what happened. So, Spellbinders has a ton of kits to choose from, right? So I have been a member of their card kit for quite a while now. And then it was the two kids, the girl and the boy dies that I started subscribing to the small die kit. And the small die kit is $12.50. The card kit is $35. And that all includes shipping. So it's an awesome deal, right? And so I'm like, okay, so I've always done that. Well, that's Buzz, by the way. And let's get started on this stuff because it's amazing kit this month. And, you know, and I keep thinking, oh, I'm not going to get this kit anymore. Yeah, right. So, let me show you the standard stuff we get and I'll keep talking to you. So as I'm watching YouTube videos while I'm on vacation and we're kicking back in the hotel room, this is all standard stuff, okay? 10 cards, 10 envelopes, plus the foam dots, plus the runner adhesive, the roll. Oh my gosh, the puppy smell. Oh. And so usually you keep your mouth closed when you're near bulldogs and they have their moments, but I can't right now. So anyway, wow, you got a ton of papers too. And so as I'm scrolling through, I see the new large die cut or die of the month. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want this large die, right? And so I started, so while on vacation, I started going, okay, let me see how much everything will cost. Let me see how much, if I add a large die, how much will it cost? Because I'm already paying $35 plus $12.50. And I'm like, okay, fine. So what is that? 23, what is that? 35 and $12.50 is what? $47.50? I think that's right. I'm not really thinking. So, but you know how to add more than I do. And so, so as I'm looking through it, I'm going, okay, well, let's see. The large die is this one. Well, just so happened that I scroll down just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. These are the papers. And I'm like, okay, so as I'm looking through, you get a 6x6 pad, paper pad. And as I'm looking through the website, I see when I scroll down to the bottom that they have multiple kits, like you can save money. And I am kicking myself and I'm like cussing myself out. My husband's laughing because he's like, he just was making fun of me because I did not see it originally. So I've been paying $12.50 and $35 for these months, and they have where they have a combo sale, and I could have got it for like cheaper. I don't remember how much cheaper. So then I thought, okay, well, as I was looking, they have the whole kit and caboodle if you wanted to get all of it. Well, I was looking, I can get the card kit, the small die, and the large die for $55. That includes shipping. I'm like, are you kidding me? For $3, $8, $9, $10, yeah, for like $2.50 I can get the large die. I'm like, oh my gosh, I never saw that. So yeah, so you guys, when you go buy or get kits or anything like that, always scroll until you see everything, because apparently you don't want to be a dummy like me and who, oh, that's awesome, who just completely bypassed all of that in her excitement to order a kit that I did not see at all. And oh my gosh. So yeah, so now this right here, I waited. So what I did is I subscribed automatically to those three things. But like I said, they have the larger package. I think it's like $75, and you can get all of it, all the dies, all the glimmer dies. I mean, you guys need to go check out Spellbinders. I'll link my friend Becky Roberts, I'll link her blog in my description box down below, if I remember. And if you guys want to order a card kit, go over there, and you get 2 of each paper, and 2, yeah, 2. Weren't those papers awesome? And you can get all of that through her, and that would be cool. And if you let her know that I sent you, that would be even cooler, because she's a friend. And I mean, I have a website too and all that good stuff, but I really don't care. I'm not into selling anything. I don't want to sell you guys anything. So but I'll sell my friend. And so so yeah, $55, you guys, and I'll show you all the dies. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love glitter letters. or glitter, not letters, but sentiments. I love that. That's awesome. And this kit, oh my god, blew my mind. They're foam glitter stickers. This kit was so fabulous. There's no glitter that comes off, so that's cool. And I could not believe how awesome it was. So yeah, I'm stunned at this kit. They still have some in stock, so if you guys want any, here, I'm gonna put it up, then I'm sure there's still some. Like I said, I'll try and remember to link her website or her blog, and then you can ask her questions. That's the stamp set you get. That's awesome. And then you get enamel dots that are, look at how sparkly and glittery those are. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Love the colors. The colors are amazing. So I can't believe that, you guys. I swear I have been paying out of the butt for months, and they had a discount for even more. How funny is that? So that's just my luck. I love these. These are awesome. Oh, look at the dimension on them, you guys. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. That is awesome. Cards. No, is it Cards, Coffee, and Time? She is part of the design team. Who else is part of the design team? Nicole Spohr. She's part of the design team. So they all have their kits. They do like 10 cards with one kit. And you get so much that 10 cards is like nothing. It doesn't even touch your stash. So, but they have, if you want inspiration and stuff, they have it. Just always check out YouTube. And if you like YouTube or you're not familiar with YouTube, all you have to do is, I'm just going to push these out like this. All you have to do is think about what you want to see. Spellbinders card kit of the month. Put that into the search bar, and it should bring up, as long as people like me tag it and have it in their description, then it'll take you to anyone who has that tag. This stuff comes off to their YouTube channel. So, and YouTube usually goes to the person who has the most views and the most followers, I think, is who you'll get the most of their videos to see. But yeah, so this, look at how much you get, you guys. I'm going to try and do this really quickly because all this comes off of the other dies I have. Because the dies I really am so happy with. Oh, okay, these are two different ones. There, you get so much. You get so much. I can't believe how, this is a very generous company. I'm actually shocked. So, because usually people can't be, not because they don't want to be, but can't be this generous. So it's really cool that to see how much you get. It's just so neat, you know. You get like your money's worth out of these things. It's so awesome. So there's so many sentiments. So you got starfish, oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is too cute. Hold on, let me see. And then look at the foil on it. It's amazing. That's how most of them are too. They all have foil that is just so pretty and so shiny. So shiny. So, oh, look at this. It's just so cute. I just love it. Just love it. That, I mean, look how much you got. That's pretty darn good. Okay, then I'll show you you get this die set that I cannot believe. Even if you only got the one thing, the $35 kit, I can't believe how much you get for $35. And that's including shipping, which you all know shipping is like the worst thing about companies, you know, it's because the post office and UPS and all of them, you know, they all have to have their money. So that's what sucks about it, is that shipping is so high. But it's not because, usually it's not because of the company. Because, I mean, who really wants to do that? Who wants to price gouge on shipping? So, oh, this is a mermaid. This is a die mermaid. That is so fabulous. Look at, this is what she looks like. The middle one. This is the die cut that's down below. This is the mermaid that is the die And then this is the mermaid tail. That's the die too. So that's that. I was seeing they show you how to put her together. It's so fabulous. I love it. Okay, so that's the card kit. This is $35 on its own. Now let's go to the small die of the month. And the small die of the month, you get all of this. And this month, it's a cat and doggy set. So it will look like this when you're done. And it says besties forever. That comes with it. But you can make your dog or your kitty any way you want. And I think it comes with the... Does it come with... Yeah, it comes with the grass even. That's pretty cool too. So besties forever, the grass, their bodies, their eyes, their collars. Pretty cool. Okay, so that was $12.50. But they have set, remember I told you they have sets so that you could just buy the small and the card kit and it would be cheaper too. So you don't, it's not that price if you do the combos. Look for the combos. This one is the one that Nicole Spohr on YouTube. Oh my God, she's on the design team on everything. She's a design team member for everybody in the industry. It seems like she is uber talented, seriously talented. Well, this is the reason why I wanted the large die of the month, because of her, because this is what it turns into. And she used this small die also in her video. Is that not cute? And it's a 3D bike. So you can make it where it folds up as long as you don't put the bottom piece, I believe. If you don't put the bottom piece underneath the basket to connect it, it folds into an A2 size card. And then, but if you put the bottom, then it's a 3D, so it's an actual tricycle. You should go look for the large die of the month or Spellbinders monthly kit. You got to go do the keywords because you have to go watch the videos on this one alone. This is amazing. All right, guys. So I got all of this die set, plus all of this card kit for $55, and that included shipping. That is just crazy to me. So I can't wait to see what next month's kits are. I'm excited about it. All right, guys, so we'll see you all next month. Take care. Bye.